Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for My Creative Scrapbook. Today I am working with the July main kit, and this fun kit features the Pebbles Fun in the Sun collection, full of bright colors, perfect for scrapping summer memories. For this layout, I'm scrapping a photo of my daughter on her recent trip to Maui. She stayed in Kihi, which is in the southern part of Maui, and there was a amazing place there called Ululani's, and she got shaved ice there. I want to say practically every day that she was there. She just loves it, and for her, going to the beach and in being in Hawaii means she has to have shaved ice. I wanted to use all of the fruit die cut ephemera and stickers and bits and pieces on this layout because I think it would be a fun way to tie in the food aspects of her Hawaiian shaved ice. I tore the green striped paper, pattern paper, and I also tore that red plaid pattern paper. I was going for kind of a watermelon look here, so hopefully I have achieved that. So I put the green on the outside to indicate the rind of a watermelon, and then that pink red pattern paper is on the inside part. Then I am arranging her photo here kind of in the middle, a little offset to the left. And I'm putting 4 tags I picked out. Again, picking out things with fruit on them or that had fruit ties. So there is actually a tag with a watermelon on it. And then I have that striped paper again to tie in the paper on the outside edges. And there's another one here with a pear floating on an inner tube and one with a bunch of just citrus all cut up. I arranged these alongside my photo, 2 on each side of my photo. And then there was a Snack Shack die cut ephemera piece that I had to put on this layout. I specifically saved it for this layout. And so that is going over the tag on the right. I want to get my title on here before I go crazy with the die cut ephemera. So I am using a Thicker's guide to arrange some of the puffy phrase stickers in a circle around my photo. As a guide, it has points on there so you can eyeball if it's in the middle or not, and it works really well to arrange things in a circle then. And it has a few different sizes, so I'm using the larger one here. And it helps to put the stickers right on the edge of this guide and then transfer it where you want it to go on your layout. There's also a Thicker's guide for arranging your letters in a straight line. I'll put links to those in the video description if you are interested in purchasing any. Now that I have beach day at the top of my photo, I am going to arrange some of those fruit die cut ephemera pieces on both sides of that phrase. I have a pineapple and a sun, and the sun has sunny days ahead on it. I'm just arranging them, still using that thicker circle guide and having things still be in a circle here around my photo. The pineapple and the sun on one side, and then I put a watermelon piece on the other side. So the watermelon is kind of balanced with that watermelon tag then on the far left. There was also a watermelon sticker that I put a piece of foam tape behind, and I put it on that tag to pop it up. So that watermelon tag is where I actually put my journaling on here. I did some computer journaling onto some white cardstock, and I cut that apart to add to this tag. Once I have my fruit on top of my photo, I'm going to add some more letters underneath my photo to complete my circle. Again, using that circle guide, I am placing Happy Place down here underneath my photo. And then I put another puffy pineapple sticker here between the happy and the place. I added a strawberry die cut on the left side and also a chipboard piece that has the beach, picnic, park, barbecue signs on it. The chipboard is actually coming from an Echo Park Paper Sun-Kissed collection, and that was included in the kit. And it has a lot of barbecue beach themes and stuff that works really well with the Pebbles fun in the sun. On the right side there, I am adding a few things around my snack shack. So I wanted to put some surfboards there because this was Hawaii and there were surfboards in this collection. So I was like, I have to use these. And I have an orange there by the snack shack that I added to complete my fruit theme, and a lime above. It's still using the circle as my guide. I went and added an ice cream cone and hot dog on top of the roof of my snack shack because I was thinking I wanted to cover up that white space, and I was thinking a lot of snack shack signs have these big, huge things on their roof to kind of draw attention to them. So I thought, okay, let's put it there. I finished up my layout by adding some star stickers scattered around my layout. I also added some hemp twine in the holes of those tags. And that's my layout. I hope you enjoyed it. My Creative Scrapbook puts together 4 kits every month. Again, I am using the main kit. They also have a creative kit, a limited edition kit, and an album kit. So there really is something for every kind of scrapbooker that you are. Please go check them out. Bye-bye now.